Hello, thanks for opening this email and watching this video. This is George with On Point Contractors. We're out here busy building fences, installing sod, repairing sprinklers, installing sprinklers. This email basically a reminder, let you know what we do. We do it every day. Like I said, we're building Western red cedar fences like this. This one is a highest grade wood you can get right now. This one is Western red cedar. It's going to cost more, but it's well worth it. It's got look how thick this picket is. I mean, it's a 1/4 inch thick. It's our best wood, and Western red cedar. And like I said, that one than the other ones, but it's well worth it. It's going to last a long time. But again, this video is to remind you guys that it's basically our second spring, we call it. It's the heat is gone, it's almost gone, and it's time to plant sod. We're planting sod again. We're scheduling them, we're putting them in, and it's going great. We're installing a lot of sod right now. So get on this email, put in your request for sod, or text us at 214-702-1902, and I'll respond to your text. My name is George, or talk to my son Austin, and we'll hook you up. Also, we're doing fence installation like this one. We're doing sprinkler installation, and we're still doing sprinkler repair all year long. Even in the winter, we're doing all this stuff all year long. Sprinkler repairs, get on the schedule. And if you're watching this video, I'll give you 35 off your sprinkler repair. Just put in the code George35 and you will get $35 off that service call. You can also use that to give to your friends and family. Just tell them to use that code. They can text it to me, George 35 off, or George 35. Use that code, and also you can use that code for sod or for all the other projects, and we'll give you a discount on those. So again, it's just a reminder. We're doing sprinkler repair, sprinkler installation. We're doing sod grass installation in case you need a new lawn. We'll put a new lawn in. Right now is the perfect time, and we're doing new fences. So give me a call, 214-702-1902. Go to our website, onpointdfw.com, onpointdfw.com. I'll see you soon.